logic gates is it is a digital circuit. It is a digital circuit which have one or more inputs but only one output. Okay, then these are nothing but inputs and output. How many inputs and output have the logic gates? Now it always represented in binary language. Okay, now what is the value of logic gate? The logic gate have only two values. It has only two values. It may be high or it may be low. In other words, we can say that it is on or it is off. So there are many names for this. Let us say high and low. Now the logic gate is represented in terms of binary numbers. Everybody knows about binary numbers. So binary numbers means what? 0 and 1. In this, 0 will represent the low output and 1 will represent the high output. Okay, so 0 means it is low, 1 it means high. So let us see what are the types of logic gates. So first one is AND gate. The first one is AND gate. Now let us see the symbol for it. So AND gate, it has two or more inputs, or you can say one or more input. Okay, and this is the symbol for AND gate. It has two inputs and one output. So the Boolean equation for it is, Boolean equation for AND gate is y is equal to, y is nothing but it is the output. So y is equal to a dot b. So you can say that this dot is nothing but multiplication. So in multiplication we know that if one of the term is 0, then the output will be 0. So that only logic we are going to use in this. So AND gate tells that if both the inputs are high, then only the output is high. That is y is equal to high. Okay. So according to this Boolean equation, let us draw the truth table for AND gate. Truth table. Okay. So truth table for AND gate. How many inputs are there? There are two inputs. So we will draw two columns. That is first column for the inputs. Then here it is the output you will get. So there are only three columns. Y is nothing but a into b or a dot b. How many possible combinations of binary? How many combination of inputs can be given? Yes. Now see, we know that this logic gates are represented in binary numbers. So therefore, when you give high output for A and B is also high, then you will get we have written if both the inputs are high, then only the output is high. Otherwise, it is low. So therefore, according to this, if the A output is high and B output is high, then you will get a high output at this point. Okay. Now, if the A is 0, B is 1, then what you will get? According to this statement, what you will get? You will get 0, because AND gate tells you that it needs both the inputs should be high. And third combination is what? If A is 1 and B is 0, then also you will get 0. Then if both the inputs are 0, then you will get 0. So this is the truth table for AND gate. Now next is what? Next is OR gate. So for OR gate, and it is little bit curved. This is called as what? OR gate. It has two terminals A and B. It will have a terminal Y which is equal to A plus B. Now the Boolean equation for OR gate is Y is equal to A plus B. Now what does the OR gate tells you? The statement for OR gate will be what? If one of the input is, yes, if one of the input is high, then the output is high. Okay, so therefore according to this, let us draw the, yes, truth table for OR gate. So what is the truth table for OR gate? It is Y is equal to A plus B. So since here it is plus, so therefore 1 plus 1 it will not be true, because here we are going to use only the binary language. So therefore according to binary language we have to use only 0 and 1. So 1 plus 1 it will be 1, because 1 will represent, yes, high. 1 is nothing but high and 0 is nothing but, yes, low. Other than this, we are not going to use any other language. Okay. So if both the outputs are high, you will get, both the outputs are inputs are high, then you will get output as a high. If one of the input is high, then you will get a high output. Here also you will get high. Now here you can see that both the inputs are 0, then yes, you will get a 0 output. So this is all about the OR gate. Now let us see the next is NOT gate. NOT gate is nothing but it is a negated version. Negated version means what? Whatever the output is there, it will, yes, invert it. So it is also called as what? Inverter. NOT gate. NOT gate means what? If the input is high, then the output will be, yes, low, and if the input is low, then the output will be, yes, high. So this means what? It is inverting the, yes, it is taking a negation. Okay. So therefore there is a bar at the, yes, output. What is the symbol for it? So the symbol for NOT gate is, it is having only one output, that is, this is always having one input, and one output. Okay. So this is the one input, this is the symbol for, yes, NOT gate, A, and over here you will get Y is equal to A bar. That means A bar means what? It is taking negation. So therefore if A is high, then you will get low. If A is low, then you will get high. So therefore since it is having only one input, then only one column for input will come, that is A, and here you will get the, yes, output Y is equal to A bar. So if A is equal to 1, then you will get 0, and if A is equal to 0, you will get 1. That is high, you will get output as low, low, you will get output as high. So this is all about the NOT gate.